Now that we have our entire library of test cases prepared, we can actually start performing them. But before we do that, let's take a look at another concept, which is test plans. And test plans are going to be useful when you have a consistent set of test cases you want to perform in the specific situation. For example, I'm going to be testing my navigation software for regression every single time I'm planning an update. And I want to have a plan for that, so that instead of handpicking those cases every single time, I have a ready and available list or set of test cases I want to perform. Creating a test plan is fairly easy. You would just go into the test plan section and create a new plan. You would need to give it a name, of course. You can add a brief description as well to provide some extra context about this plan. And then you will add the cases that should be a part of this test plan. You can choose individual test cases from different suites. You can choose entire suites to be included in the plan, as well as when you are configuring your plan, you can pre-assign those test cases you include in it. For instance, I know that both of those cases every single time are going to be performed by the same person, and it's going to be me. So I'm assigning myself on those test cases in the plan right away, hitting the Done button, and hit Create Plan. Now I have my new plan created. It shows me some extra information about it, like the runtime. Where does the runtime come from? Well, it comes from previous performances of those test cases included in the plan. So case records this data. Case keeps the historic information about how long it took in the previous runs in the previous performances to do those test cases, and gives you an estimation based on it. This screen also shows you how many cases are included in the plan and when it was created. From here, I can also change my plan, export it, or delete it. And of course, later, when I'm configuring a test run, I will then be able to use that plan I've built before. So let's move on to that part, and let's start configuring our test runs.